Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to join clip in Premiere Pro. So if you want to join clip, or probably you want to group or link clip in Premiere Pro, here is a straightforward guide on how to do that, or the short guide on how to do that. So the first thing is you have to launch the Adobe Premiere Pro on your PC and open the project containing the clip you want to join. After that, in the the project panel, select the clip you want to join, and after that choose right-click the select next context menu and create the next sequence that can be edited as a single clip one. After that, you can join cut within the same clip by selecting a bullet point, clicking and choosing the join from the context menu. After that, if you nest the clip, you can now edit the nested sequence as a single unit. After that, for easier movement on the timeline, you can go to the clip by selecting them and pressing Ctrl G on window and on window CMDG to ease the movement. And that's how you can clip in Premiere. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification. Thank you.